Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, which means one thing for me. It means you're enjoying the content. So if you're enjoying the content, guess what? I have even more content that's available to you by simply clicking one of the join buttons below and joining the membership. Now in the membership, we actually have 3 different access levels that you can choose from according to how much content or how further you're trying to go and take your draping skills, right? So I want you to hit that button, check out those 3 different levels and find out which one is suitable for you. The benefits of being in a membership is you get so many more exclusive perks than what's offered here on YouTube, right? You get behind the scenes footage of when we're doing our live draping tutorials. Not to mention you get member only access to live streams where you get to chat with me, ask me all your questions and get insider secrets, tips, tricks, and resources. And if you the level, guess what? You will have access to a step-by-step draping tutorial issued out every month, and it tells you a different design so you can, take your skills to the next level according to how much you want to learn. So hit the join button below, and guess what? I hope to see you guys on the inside.